Alright, we are working our way through the Microsoft Official Academic Course Lab Manual, installing and configuring Windows 10 in preparation for exam 70-698. We are finishing up with our Lab 10, which is configuring remote management, and this video is going to look at the Lab Challenge, which is running PowerShell commands on a remote computer. So from the previous exercise, we are already logged into CL1, CL2, and the domain controller. So what we're going to do is we're going to go into CL1 and go into PowerShell. So we're going to right-click here, run PowerShell, and then OK. Here we are in PowerShell. And I want to make this just a little bit bigger so it's easier to see. There we go. So here the first thing we're going to do is type in PS and then enter. And if you're following along in your lab manual, you're required to do so. This would be where you take your next screenshot. Now we're going to flip over to CL2 and right-click, run PowerShell, enter. Again, I want to right-click on here, just make the text a little bit bigger. Okay. And again, we're going to type in PS and then enter. Alright. I'm going to do CLS just to take me back up to the top of the screen. And we're going to type in enable -PSR EMOT promoting. And we'll see if that works. No. Okay, it didn't. So we're going to try doing enable space -PS remoting. Let's try this again. Right click, run. PowerShell. Okay. Okay, it says that WinRM is already set up to receive requests on this computer. So we're going to go to CL1. Type in CLS, just close the screen. We're going to type in enter -PSSESSION space dash computer name space lon-cl2. Enter. Okay, we are now on CL2. Now we're going to go ahead and type in PS, enter. And you can still see that we were on PS, we were on CL2. Now we're going to type in CLS just to go to the top of the screen again. And I'm going to type in get-service, enter. Again, CLS to go to the top of the screen. And we want to do get-acl space C:\\, enter. Alright, again, we are on lon-cl1. If you are following along in the lab manual required to do so, this would be where you take your last screenshot from the lab. Now we're going to type in exit-pssion, enter. And now we can type in exit to exit out of PowerShell. And that is the end of this lab, the end of this exercise, and the end of this video. As always, thank you for watching. If you feel like these videos help, please give me a thumbs up and let others know about the videos. If there's something you want to see that would help in addition to what I'm doing, please let me know in the comments below. And we'll have more videos coming out next week.